In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Asana Workload Management feature. Asana is a popular project management tool, and mastering its workload management capabilities can significantly enhance your team's productivity. So let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently manage your team's workload using Asana. First, open Asana in your web browser. Once you're there, the starting point for accessing workload management is by locating the workspace dashboard. On your left-hand side, you'll notice a plus sign, which is very handy when you want to add new features or integrate additional tools within Asana. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. Now that you've opened the section with additional options, the next step is to find and click on Workload. This feature is specially designed to give you an overview of your team's tasks and ensure everyone is working efficiently. As you click on Workload, visualize it as your command center where you can monitor who's working on what and manage everyone's task loads effectively. Once you're into the workload section, you will see several visual indicators and data presentations about your team members' tasks. One of the crucial aspects you'll want to monitor is the task count. To do this, locate and click on Task Count. This will help you understand how many tasks each of your team members is handling over a particular period. It's a very useful view to quickly gauge if anyone on the team is overburdened or perhaps underutilized. Next, let's delve deeper by clicking on Estimated Time. The Estimated Time functionality allows you to see how much time each task is expected to take. This provides another layer of understanding beyond the sheer number of tasks, helping ensure the time allocation aligns with each team member's capacities. It's crucial for planning and prevents the risk of burnout by ensuring workloads are balanced effectively. Finally, click on Set Capacity. This step allows you to define the maximum workload each team member can handle comfortably within a week. Setting capacity in Asana is essential to maintain a healthy balance and ensure the efficiency of your team. It prevents any individual from being overwhelmed and helps distribute the work evenly. Take a few moments to customize these settings based on your team's unique needs and the specific demands of your projects. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to navigate and utilize Asana's workload management feature. Regularly monitoring this feature can highlight any disparities in task allocation and ensure your team remains productive without being overworked. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your projects more effectively. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.